Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to do something a little bit different on our YouTube channel. So what we want to do is we want to actually get some response from you. And what we want to know is if you think it's going to come up here and hit our take profit, or if it's going to come down here and hit our stop loss. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to talk about this trade a little bit, and maybe we can convince you that's going to hit. But if you're highly against it and you're saying, you know what, this is a pullback, it's going to go all the way back down, let us know. Just say, hey, it's not going to hit. And so what we're going to do is if we get, let's see if we get 10 comments, whether it hit or whether or not hit. Maybe we'll do this again. This is just something that we thought of, something fun that we could do. And so, but anyways, let's actually talk about this trade for a second. And so this is the euro dollar. This is a 4-hour chart. And so what this is we actually got, this is a system. This is actually an indicator. We got these orange candles. And what it is we have an entire strategy behind this, but basically what it is if RSI is oversold, you're going to see orange candles. If it starts to see divergence with price action, you're going to see dark blue. And so it continued to do that. It actually went ahead and did it again. It continued to fall down. On top of all that, we actually, if you go up to the daily chart, we actually had some prior support. And so it was there was just a bunch of different things that we saw, and so we think that it's definitely on its way back to the upside, and so that's why we want to know what you think if it's going to happen. You think it's going to hit, whether it's not going to hit. And so we can bump down to the lower time frame. We actually saw a nice little this big long candle, and then we actually saw it a nice little flag pattern before it started to go up to the upside again. And so who knows where it's going to go from here? Maybe it'll go all the way back down and stop everything out. And that's what we want to know. That's what we want to hear from you. So we want to see. We want to hear from you what you think. And let me put those levels again. And so go ahead, look at your chart or look at this chart, whatever you think. We have a take profit target here of 1.17761, and then a stop loss, a little bit tight stop loss. It's moved up to 1.1709. So you think it's gonna come up here and actually hit our target right here, or you think it's going to come back down and hit our stop loss first? And so maybe we could do an update video on this. I don't know. This is just something new. This is something that we just kind of thought of today. And just to see if anybody would be interested, and we could get some interaction and everything. So I would love to hear from you. I'd love to hear your comments, what you think or what you don't think. If you are interested in this system, this is our EFC, like I said, EFC trading system. What I'll do is I'll link this below to a page, and you can actually read all about it on there. There's a bunch of information about it. And if you're interested, you can grab it. But if not, it's fine. Say you're a stock trader, if you're a futures trader, if you're a trader that never would use, this is actually the MetaTrader platform. You might not be interested, then that's fine. But this is just something that we saw. This is a trade idea that we had, and this is something that it hit and it went up really good after it triggered. So we wanted to see what you guys thought. You think it's going to go up or you think it's going to go down? And if it hits the stop loss, it's fine. If it hits the take profit, it doesn't really matter. This isn't something that we necessarily are going to tell you to take this right now. This is just something that we're kind of doing, and just something that might interest you. So again, will it hit or will it not hit? Leave a comment below this video. I would highly appreciate it. If we get 20, let's just say 20, either 20 comments or maybe 50 likes, something like that, we'll go ahead and we'll do this again. Maybe we'll start a little series, like every so many days. We'll have a little will it hit or will it not hit, and you could just follow these along as we go. So, all right, guys. Again, this is my name is Ben, and I appreciate if you stayed this long. And hopefully it will hit. But if it doesn't, you know what? It's fine. And just let us know down there if what you think. Thank you.